Manufacturing facilities, all branches of the U.S. military, and quality-conscious homeowners choose Armor Garage because our products are easy to apply by anyone and can save up to 80% over a contractor-installed floor. Armor Garage offers its job on a pallet, 100% complete floor coating kits that come with everything needed, including industrial-grade installation tools and prep materials to assure 100% satisfaction. Free, unlimited technical support is just a phone call away. Here is one example of how Armor Garage solved a floor coating challenge for a video production studio in Houston, Texas.
The Epic Creative Co-op is a video production studio made from upcycled materials, including 11 cargo containers. The building is a creative environment for artists, animators, programmers, and web developers. Our two-story structure includes a state-of-the-art 1,500 square foot video production facility. Come inside and let's take a closer look. The studio was designed to photograph vehicles and large oil field equipment. The coating on the floor would have to withstand heavy truck traffic, yet be smooth enough to dolly a tripod across. I was impressed with their job on a pallet, 100% complete floor coating kits that come with everything needed, including industrial-grade installation tools, prep materials, and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. For this project, we ordered their standard job on a pallet, which included the following: Armor Etch concentrated etching solution for proper floor prep, Armor 2 industrial self-priming epoxy, Armor Ultra military-grade protective top coat, Ultrawear powdered metal additive, 18-inch industrial roller frames, 18-inch industrial epoxy roller pads, spiked shoe bottoms for walking on wet epoxy, a mechanical mixer for our drill, and mixing buckets with disposable liners. Everything we needed was put on a pallet and shipped from Union, New Jersey to our job site in Houston, Texas.
Armor 2 is a two-layer floor coating system that is not like floor paint. It uses a special, self-priming Armor 2 industrial epoxy and a second layer of Armor Ultra military-grade two-part protective top coat. The Armor 2 system also includes a special, extremely hard powdered metal additive called Ultrawear, which gets mixed into the top coat, giving it extreme durability to wheeled and foot traffic. It also gives the floor non-skid protection, but still allows for easy cleaning. The Ultrawear greatly extends the life of the floor. Armor 2 is designed to withstand heavy forklift traffic and industrial use. Safety equipment for this job included rubber gloves and protective eyewear.
We began by thoroughly cleaning the studio floor using a power washer. Next, we used the Armor Etch to properly prepare the floor. We applied the Armor Etch to the floor with a broom and then rinsed the floor. We let the floor dry overnight. You can't paint a wet or damp floor. With the floor completely dry, it was time to apply the Armor 2. The Armor 2 comes in two parts, A and B. We poured equal parts of both in a bucket. We used the mixer that came with our order to ensure we had the epoxy mixed properly. Now, we poured the Armor 2 on the floor. We used the 18-inch rollers with the 1/4 inch nap and end caps to completely coat the floor. Once the floor had been completely coated, we let it sit overnight to fully cure. The next day, it was time to apply the Armor Ultra military-grade top coat. We began by pouring the two-part coating into a bucket. The proper ratio is 2:1. Here, we are mixing 2 gallons of Part A to 1 gallon of Part B. To this mix, we added the Ultrawear HWF High Wear Non-Skid additive. We used the paddle mixer to blend the three products together. We then poured the mixture into an 18-inch roller pan and rolled out the top coat to fully cover the floor. We let the floor cure overnight. Wow, check out our results. Our job turned out great, and we have Armor Garage to thank for it. We now have a studio floor that looks awesome, and we're confident it'll stand the test of time.
For more information on Armor 2 and the full line of Armor Garage floor products, visit our website at armorgarage.com or call us at 1-866-532-3979.